Typically when you're flying an airplane, you're deflecting control surfaces in order to maneuver or to reject wind gusts. These deflecting surfaces make the airplane more vulnerable to being detected by hostile forces.
We're looking at modern flow control techniques which permit you potentially to be able to control the airplane in flight without the use of any kinds of mechanical surfaces. And we do that with a distributed array of tiny little jets on the surface and trick the aerodynamics into believing that a flap's been deployed where in fact it's not been deployed.